So here we are going to discuss about the exceptions of Kurzbach equation. We know that Kurzbach equation for mobility or degree of freedom of a planar mechanism is given by relation m equals to 3n-1 minus 2j1 minus j2. Here m is degree of freedom and n is number of links of the mechanism. J1 is number of pairs having degree of freedom 1. J2 is number of pairs having degree of freedom 2. Now if we apply this relation, Kurzbach relation, for our first mechanism, which is shown in diagram, here we calculate the different parameters involved in Kurzbach equation. So first we will count the number of links. So this is our first link, this is second, third, fourth and fifth link. Then if we find out here the pairs between these links, so this is our first pair, then second pair, this is third pair, fourth, fifth, and this is our sixth pair. And we can observe here all the connections or the pairs are formed by hinge joint or pinch joint. Therefore each of the pair is in the form of turning pair, so having degree of freedom 1. So with this data, number of links 5 and J1 equals to 6 because all the 6 pairs having degree of freedom 1, and J2 equals to 0 because none of the pair is having 2 degree of freedom. So we will get here the value of mobility m equals to 0, which suggests that this given mechanism is actually a structure, means there is no motion between the links of the mechanism. And here Kurzbach equation corrects the Kurzbach equation predicts the correct behavior of the mechanism. But if we make certain changes in this mechanism, like if we give a position to link number 5 parallel to link number 2 and 4, so in that case we will obtain a different result. Here again we have taken the similar link but the similar mechanism, but the position of this link has been changed here and it is made parallel to these two links. And again we will calculate the degree of freedom here or mobility. So for calculation, this is our first link, second, third, fourth and fifth link. So this data will remain as it is in previous case. Now if we count the number of pairs, so this is first pair, second, third, fourth and fifth, and finally it is sixth. So we can see all the things here are as in the previous case. The only difference is that the link number 5 has been placed here parallel to 2 and 4, or we are making here a parallelogram type structure. So in this case, because the values of parameters involved in Kurzbach equation, which are n, j1 and j2, are same, so again we will get here mobility 0 by Kurzbach equation. But if we will make a model of this kind of mechanism, so in that, by verification of that model, we can obtain the actual mobility or degree of freedom of such kind of mechanism is actually 1. So here our Kurzbach equation actually fails to give the correct behavior of this mechanism. The reason behind this failure in giving the correct result is actually the Kurzbach equation does not involve any characteristics related to length or dimension of the mechanism. So because of that, in some cases it actually fails to give the correct results. But again, if we include that dimensional parameters in the equation, so the equation will be very complicated and we will not get the easily results. So for the simplicity, Kurzbach equation has been proved as a better option to calculate the degree of freedom for most of the mechanisms.